Hello there, folks. It's the 29th of May. Oh, I'm just sitting here having my breakfast yogurt. It's, what am I having? Activa? Sounds like a dance. Activa. Yeah, okay, I can't sing. Sorry about that. But, having some breakfast. And I woke up this morning with a sore wrist, so I have this wrap that I use. I have a wrap for my right hand, my left hand, my wrap for my knee, my left knee, my right knee, my ankles, my left ankle, my right ankle. Let me tell you, how do you know when you're getting old? When you got wraps for every part of your body. I don't have a wrap for my neck, but I do have a cooling thing that wraps around your neck when you get overheated out in the garden. Yeah, you keep it in the freezer, and when you get overheated, you wrap it around your neck when you come in. It's got Velcro. Oh, it's just fabulous. I got overheated one year, heat stroke, and ever since then I can't deal with getting overheated, and I don't know when to stop, obviously. So yeah, when you feel your face getting red without seeing it, you're overheated. You need to go cool down. So I don't know what I'm up to today because of the rain. It's just slightly raining, which the plants are going to just absolutely love this rain. It's nice and easy and not hard, not belting. So that's a good thing. That's a real good thing. So I just don't know. And I have to figure out what I'm going to make for dinner. I don't know about that either because I didn't take anything out last night. But I do have leftovers from the, whoa, there we go. I do have leftovers from the Instant Pot. Lots of leftovers because that bowl I showed you in the video, that was like the serving bowl. Yeah, I mean, yeah. I did not eat all that. There's no way. So I'm just enjoying this is quite good actually. This is raspberry and, no, it's just raspberry. Some of them come mixed, like apple and something else. That one's strawberry over there. Yeah. So I don't know what I'm going to make, but I think I'm going to warm up the leftovers. I think that's the best bet, especially with my wrist the way it is. So if I do something else that has any kind of interest whatsoever. Oh, I did cut down a bunch of boxes from Costco boxes. That took a while. Should have had my brace on when I did that, as they tend to accumulate. I used them in the garden actually. When the wild raspberries on one side of my garden gets out of hand, I just throw a cardboard box down there and it suppresses them and it eventually composts down. So, and I cut walkways with cardboard that are inundated with the wild raspberry vines, and I set it down in the walkway so I don't have weeds to clear. I just walk, and that makes it a lot easier and safer for me. So I'm not getting all tangled up in the weeds. So if you have some spare cardboard boxes, they work well. And my garden, it gets so full you can't even see the boxes. They disappear in amongst the hydrangea and the echinacea and the irises and the Solomon seals and yada yada. So bye for now. Bye. Well, hello there, folks. There's my cantaloupe, yellow toms, and lettuce that's not showing. But the others are doing great. I think the lettuce seeds was a little too old. And I have something new started. I have onion bottoms. I cut off the onion bottom and I set them in a small container of water to root them. Once they're rooted, in about 4 to 5 days, I'm going to put them outside in the garden. And in case you're wondering, I got out an old cookbook when we were in Atlantic Canada living in Nova Scotia. The gas station would give out, with each gas fill-up, different places of recipes. So tonight I decided to make potato soup. Yes. So I have in this pot, let's see if I can get the lid off, some potato soup. It's almost dinner time, and I just have to get it heated back up. It's still just warm, but this is going to be really good, folks. I, however, added cheddar cheese. Everything tastes better with cheese, doesn't it? Yes. So what are you having for dinner tonight? Oh boy, I can't wait for my potato soup recipe from Atlantic Canada. Oh no.